Hi, I'm Allie Dosdell, and today we're going to make a little mini album with the envelope punch board. Let me show you how this works. It's really fun, and it's a great way to store photos or notes or little treats for someone. It makes a great gift. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is take a look at our measurement chart here. I'm going to make 3x4 envelopes, so we're going to cut our paper to 6x6, and we're going to line it up at the 2 5/8 inch mark on the board. Next, I'm going to grab my score tool, which is conveniently stored right on the board. And then I'm going to take my paper, which I've already cut to 6x6, and we're going to go ahead and line that up on the 2 5/8 inch mark. Next, we're going to punch and then score along the diagonal score line. And now all we need to do is rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise and line up the score line we just made on the score guide right here. And then we punch and score, and we do that on all 4 sides. So now we're going to punch the flap so that it's a nice rounded corner, and that's the reverse punch here on the top. So we just stick it in the other end, and you get a really nice, pretty rounded corner. So now we'll fold all the flaps and tape them together to make our envelope. And the next thing I'm going to do here is just cut this flap off so it's a nice straight line. There we go. And then what I want to do is add a liner to that. And to do the liner, all you need to do is cut the paper that you have indicated on the board 1/4 inch smaller on both sides. Then make your envelope and trim it down so that it fits inside. Okay, so you're going to make 5 of these. You can use different pattern paper, the same pattern paper, whatever you'd like to do. And then you're going to glue them together or tape them together into a chain. Then next, you're just going to accordion fold them over and under. Fold that flap over. And then you can add whatever you'd like into your pockets and decorate it however you'd like. I tied some twine around mine and added a little charm, and all of the papers and decorations from this are from the Paige Evans Blooming Wild collection. You could also use some Velcro underneath here to keep your project closed, or maybe a book clip. Either one would be really cute. So let's take one more look at how I decorated the cover and then each of the envelopes. Isn't that fun? I love it. It's a great gift. You can find the envelope punch board at Joann stores, Michaels stores, local independent and online craft stores. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Allie Dosdell for We Are Makers.